Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, in today's video I want to discuss my opinion regarding vaccination passport. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe right now. So guys, first of all, before I proceed ahead with the video, whatever I'm going to tell in this video is just my opinion, and this is based on my analysis. Of course, I'm not an expert on this topic, but whatever I know and whatever I have seen, based on that I have formed this opinion and I'm sharing it with you. So guys, here in Canada, the province of Quebec has already declared their plan for vaccination passport. Federal government is also doing something. But yes, because of the federated structure of administration here, like the government of Ontario has said no till now, but the demands have been increasing and the pressure is mounting on the government. If you see the biggest city, Toronto's mayor, Mr. John Tory, is already voicing for the vaccination passport to avoid closure of businesses down the line because of the fourth wave that seems to be already started because of the increasing cases. Anyway, if you see other things, like some universities, some businesses have already implemented their vaccine policies, like if you are vaccinated you can come. In British Columbia they have also added more points, like for long term care staff you got to be vaccinated. My opinion is that yes, vaccine passport should be there. No, while saying this, I am not saying that I'm not going against those who don't want vaccine or those who think vaccine is not perfect. What I believe is, like, I don't mind, like, if I believe on vaccine or not, but what it is, like the moment we are born in this world in Canada, starting from the second month, if you're baby, you get your first vaccine shot, and this continues. So till today we have got so many vaccines. So even if I don't believe on this vaccine, I don't mind going ahead and take it. If you see the dosage, like zero point 0.3 ml, I don't mind taking this vaccine. Okay, this is like any other vaccine that has been provided. I'm gonna take it. So, and just taking this is gonna give me a lot of benefits in terms of vaccination passport, what I'm allowed to do, and so many things. And moreover, if if it really makes us safer, then there's no harm. Go for it. So this is what my opinion is. Of course, I'm not getting into the discussion about efficiency of vaccines or other theories. What I say is pretty simple. Even if I believe or I don't believe, I still take it because it's just like any other vaccine. I have taken so many vaccines. All of us have taken vaccines in our life to save ourselves. So, what is the harm in taking one more? That's it. Government is saying, and not just our government, all governments in the world. So they are saying just take it once. That's it. Now coming to the core area of vaccination passport, this is a broader issue where a lot of other concepts come in place as well, like whether it violates an individual's right, freedom, and other things. I'm not going to go into that because I'm not an expert, but my opinion is, like, if it is implemented, if the government is implemented, I'm going to go for it. Thanks for watching.